Welcome back to Larte Design YouTube channel, and in this video we will be presenting you the full Larte transformation for 2025 Mercedes GLE63 Coupe. It is now time to talk about the front appearance of this GLE Coupe, and we will be talking about a lot of changes. And the first thing that you will see on this GLE Coupe is the Larte design hood. Now, most of our clients always decide to go for the exposed carbon fiber look whenever they decide to add all the other carbon fiber parts. However, as you can see on this project, the client has decided to go for the bonnet in the body color. And as you can see, this hood definitely adds aggression to this car, however, keeping this look quite elegant. And by the way, you have also got the option to either go for the bonnet in glossy black and, as I mentioned already, body color, or the exposed carbon fiber look. Before we continue talking about all the other upgrades elements on this car, let me also show you the hood from the inside. What I would like to mention here is that Larte design hood has got all the original Mercedes fasteners. This hood completely replicates the original Mercedes hood structure from the inside, and also importantly here you can see that this hood is originally made by Larte design. So now let's close this hood and continue talking about the full appearance on this GLE Coupe. The first thing that you also see on this car is the front grille made in the exposed carbon fiber. Just look at this perfect contrast between these colors. Now, as you can see, this is a one-piece front grille having also the Larte design logo on the front, making you feel a little bit more special. And as we look further down, we've got, in addition to this front look, we've got the front bumper splitter. Now, this part is also made from the exposed carbon fiber look, and on the side we've also got an additional Larte design logo. Just have a look how this front splitter completely changes the overall appearance of this car, making it look wider and closer to the ground, and therefore adding this sportiness and aggression that this GLE Coupe needs. As we now continue also talking about the side appearance of this car, let me also show you what we have added here on this GLE63 Coupe. First of all, let me show you the mirror cups. Now, this is additional premium touch on this car, completing this carbon fiber look on this SUV. But also, most importantly, let me show you something truly special. The cool option that the client has decided to choose for this GLE Coupe 53 are the Larte design forged wheels. Now, these are the 23-inch wheels, and as you can see, they are already super special, as they've got even more carbon fiber on this rim. Have a closer look, you will see that this rim has got an interesting design, in addition with this carbon fiber ring on the outside, and also having the Larte design logo in the middle, making this wheel look even cooler and adding this premium touch to this luxury SUV. And it's finally now time to talk about all the rear changes on this car. And as you can see, we have added even more carbon fiber also on the rear of this SUV. So let's start talking from the top, and then we'll have a look further down at this rear bumper. So at the top, we've got two additional Larte design spoilers. As you can see, they're also done in the exposed carbon fiber. Now, these two spoilers definitely add sportiness to this SUV, and as you can see, they've also got an interesting design. So as we look further down on the bottom, we've of course changed the complete plastic part by having the Larte design diffuser in the exposed carbon fiber. Now, this is a complete transformation of the rear look. As you can see, this is the Mercedes GLE Coupe 53. However, this looks even cooler and crazier than the 63 version. We've got here the AMG original tips on the button. Now, as you can see, we've got the complete carbon fiber look here, in addition with the Larte design logo, and of course we did not forget to include the Larte design special signature here, which are the special Larte design brake lights. So as you can see, this GLE53 Coupe looks even cooler than the 63 version of this model, and I can assure you that this look will be staying in the trends for many more years, and this is the actual and true style. Now, to finish off this video, let me also show you one important thing. We have got here another GLE Coupe done for our client. As you can see, this is the pre-face model. This is also base model. So as you can already see, our project is a perfect fit for the pre-face and facelift models, also not only AMG model. And as I already mentioned, this project is not only done in exposed carbon fiber, just like here, but also possible to be done in the glossy black version. So this is really something that you can design and build yourself. And most importantly, also an additional option, this project can also be done in the body color, just like the hood on this project. So this is something super customizable and very individual, and you are the one making this decision how you want your SUV look like. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching it, and I would like to mention that we are going here international. We've got here the client from Poland and also a client coming to us from Morocco. So it doesn't matter wherever you are, we've got a solution to make you feel even more special. So hit us up, leave us a request on the website, and we are happy to get to know each other and make you feel more special.